Hello everyone, I am Charuta, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to present this reading by combining tarot cards, angel cards and numerology. So the question I have asked is, how would be next 6 months for those whose date of birth number is 4 as per the numerology science? So I am repeating this question. How would be next 6 months, that is from June 2020 to December 2020, for the people whose date of birth number is 4 as per the numerology science. So let's first understand how to calculate this number. For example, if you are born on 31st of December 1985, then we are taking into consideration number 31. Okay, month and the year numbers are to be ignored. Then this number 31 is reduced to a single digit number. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So that's how we arrive at date of birth number as per the numerology science. Alright guys, so number 4 guys, are you ready? Yeah, so what you have to do is you need to select your pile. I have made 3 piles. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Okay, so you just take a moment to select your pile. So how to choose your pile? Just follow your heart, follow your intuitions. What I have done is I have also placed these beautiful flowers to help you make a right choice. So just take a moment, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Which number is popping up in your mind? Is it number 1, 2 or 3? Which flower is drawing your attention? White, red or pink? Alright guys, meanwhile you make a choice, I would love to share numerological insights about number 4 people. So here number 4 means all those people who are born on 4th, then 22nd, 13th or 31st of any month. Okay guys, so let me share some numerological insights about you guys. If you guys are towards positive side of number 4 energy, then you guys are very hardworking, sincere and efficient people. You kind of take your responsibilities very seriously, be it at home or at workplace. Then people find you very reliable, they find you trustworthy, and you guys tend to have very good organizational skills. You plan very well, you execute them properly, you have an eye for detail, and basically you guys are very hardworking. And on the other hand, at times you guys can't enjoy life. You guys tend to overthink, if overanalyze any problem or any situation. Then at times you guys tend to miss out on your intuitions. You guys lack creativity. And it so happens that you are so accustomed to live a life or follow a certain structure, order, methods, that you think that that's the only way to live, that's the only way to deal with situations, that's the only way to solve a problem. But it's not true. So what happens that you guys tend to be very rigid when it comes to dealing with change, because you think whatever you think is the only right option. Okay, so at times you guys become very rigid and you cannot accept change easily. Then what happens that you guys tend to be over serious. You just cannot enjoy life at times. You cannot take things lightly. You guys need to learn that how to take life little chill pill. Then you guys can't express your emotions properly. For you it becomes very difficult to establish heart-to-heart connection with people around you, because you are too much practical and logical thinking oriented people. Alright guys, so this was about numerological insights about number 4 people. So let's move on to card reading. All those who selected pile number 1, white flower, these are the cards for you. These are tarot cards. So let's check, guys, what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. Let's check messages from cards one by one. So the first card you got is Hanged Man. Alright, so it means that in certain areas of your life, you are experiencing delays, you are feeling stuck, it feels like things are just not moving. No matter what I do, I'm not receiving any results. I'm not getting any signs that things are going to happen or things are going to shift. But yes, the message from this card is, guys, you have done everything what you could. Just wait for some time, because universe is working behind the scene, and soon this delay would be over. Okay, so right now, instead of worrying about those situations, just relax. Okay, really there is no need to take action from your end. In such situations, prayers work very well. So instead of worrying, please pray. So the next card you got is Awakening. It's the same card from the other deck. So it is saying that whatever this negative situation or this stuck energy or this the feeling of the things are not moving, things are not happening in your life, the delays, these situations are presenting some opportunities for personal growth. Okay, and there is a huge spiritual growth also involved. Okay, so just introspect a lot. Okay, meditate a lot. Just ask this question to yourself: what this situation is trying to teach me? Okay, what this situation is trying to teach me? Keep on asking this question, contemplate instead of worrying. The next card you got is Nine of Winter. As I explained about number 4 people, you guys tend to overanalyze, overthink a lot. So this card represents the same message, that stop worrying, guys. Okay, especially during nights, play meditation music and sleep. Okay, try to think positive, or just use some affirmations before you sleep, so that you'll not get those bad dreams. Or you can also invoke angels and sleep. The next card you got is New Beginning. Wow, I just love this card. This card is indicating that major change is going to happen, guys. Okay, a major phase in your life is going to soon end, and the new beautiful phase, very positive shifts are going to happen, and that new beautiful phase is about to begin. Okay, you can see the message clearly, you can see the picture clearly. This entire family, rather, I feel that some of you who are watching this video might be experiencing that it's just not you, but your entire family is going through some transition period. Alright, so next card you got is Seven of Swords. So this card is telling you to be very honest with yourself, guys. Just acknowledge your feelings. Okay, just be honest with yourself. Also, stay away from people who are not so positive, who are dishonest, or who are who likes to gossip and everything. Just stay away from all those people. Instead, just go within. Okay, also, if you are trying to hide something from someone, please don't do that. That's not the right way to deal with this situation. There are better ways. Okay, so just don't hide anything from anyone. Okay, especially from your loved ones, and also at your work. Okay, if things if as per the law or as per the ethics, or maybe if you feel that things must be revealed to other people, then definitely please go out and go out and speak with them and tell them what you are feeling and just reveal what needs to be revealed. Okay, don't hide anything, guys. Don't run away from your own self. That is also a message from this card. The next card you got is Magician. Wow, I just love this card, guys. So there will be certain situations or aspects in your life where you're going to feel that, oh yes, I am like a magician. So it means that you're going to feel very confident about yourself, about your skills, your abilities, also your faith in God, or your faith in the universe is also going to increase, because you're going to feel, yeah, I just want to achieve all my dreams, and yes, they are going to be achieved soon. Okay, this confidence you're going to develop during this period. Okay, so this card assures that whenever you require anything, it could be any resource, it could be time, money, guidance, it will be made available to you. Okay, all right, guys. So try to maintain this energy. This is the pure energy of a creation, manifestation. The next card you got is Page of Ariel. Okay, that so if you're looking for if you're waiting for promotion, then that's the very good card. If you are thinking about pursuing some course, workshop, or degree, then this is a very good card, which is saying that this is the right time to invest in yourself and spend money and do those courses, workshops, or it's a very good card for studying. And basically this card is telling you, just take some efforts to improve your skills. Okay, enhance your skills and take some efforts to increase your knowledge. Wow, I just love this card, guys. The Star card, amazing. See, you can just read this message: a dream come true, believe in yourself, the end of a difficult situation. I need not even explain this card. I just love this card. So guys, if you're having any doubts whether my dreams will come true or not, then this is an assurance from angels that yes, all your dreams are going to come true. So stay optimistic, stay positive, stay more in a zone of a joy. Okay, just enjoy life, guys. So these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check what messages angel cards would like to give you. Alright, the first card you got is Steady Progress. Okay, Father Healing, fine. Okay, alright, same message. Okay, so the first card you got is Steady Progress. I know, guys, at times you might be feeling oh my god, things are happening very slow, things are just not shifting. This card is very much aligned with the Hanged Man message from the tarot cards, but universe is saying that you must acknowledge, things are shifting, things are improving. There is a steady, no doubt there is a slow progress. Yes, there is a slow progress, but acknowledge that slow and steady wins the race. Okay, guys, so just acknowledge, no matter how small things are shifting for you, but you need to acknowledge it, because angels are clearly saying that there is a slow but a steady progress, and it will continue to happen. Just stay more in a grateful zone. Don't take things for granted. Next card you got is Father Healing. So this is a time to heal relationship with your father or any male person in your life, or maybe any senior male person in your life. Okay, so it's time to have an heart-to-heart talks with these people, or just ask for angels help to heal any issues, if you're whatever issues that you're going through. Also, this card is telling you to stand up and speak up for yourself. Don't let other people, especially the very strong person or strong masculine energy, to dominate you. The next card you got is Ask for what you want. Guys, the message is very clear and simple, that just be clear about what you want in life, and place a clear order into the universe. Okay, don't focus on what you don't want, just focus on what you want. Keep asking this question to yourself, that what exactly I would like to experience, and then ask universe to deliver that order to you. So again, this is the same message from a different deck. What do you desire right now? Visualize it and it will come about. Okay, so overthinking or negative thinking, over analyzing will not help, guys. Okay, just keep placing right orders, just focus on what you want and it will be given to you. Ask, if you're feeling confused, ask for a clarity. If you're feeling sad, ask for a happiness. If you're feeling frustrated, ask for a joy. It's as simple as that. Alright guys, I'm done with pile number 1. Now let's move on to pile number 2. All those who selected pile number 2, red flower, these are your cards. These are tarot cards. So let's check, guys, how would be next 6 months for you all. Let's check messages one by one. So the first card you got is King of Swords. This card is telling you that there is a need to draw healthy boundaries with people around you. Do not let people take you for granted. There is a need to communicate very clearly. Okay, all right guys, so especially when it comes to work, okay, just be more professional. Okay, don't let your emotions overpower. Okay, be practical, think more logical. Yeah, as it is, number 4 energy is all about it. But yet, even if someone is in friend zone and who is your colleague, yet you need to be very careful, alert, and be professional with her or with him. The next card you got is 10 of Ariel. Alright, so if you guys are worrying about finances, then this is a good card. This card is telling you that whenever you require money, money is going to show up in your life, and rather all the practical help, all the practical resources, okay, will be given to you whenever you will require them. Okay, this card is also telling you to spend more time with family and friends. Just connect with them because it will help you to release your stress. Next card you got is 5 of Raphia. Okay, so it means that guys, in certain areas of your life, things may not work out the way you are expecting it to be. However, angels are going to be with you. So, and the message from the card is just focus more on what is right in your life, focus more on what is good in your life. Okay, don't give more energy to to things which are bad things. Just move on easily. Okay, don't think about the past. Why I was expecting these things to work out in my favor, but then it didn't happen. It's okay. All right, then what is right in your life, what is good in your life, you need to focus more on those things. All right, and this card doesn't indicate major sadness. Okay, this is small things that small expectations. It's all about the small things, not the major things. Okay, so do not take tension about this card. Alright, the next card you got is Ace of Autumn. So I see you are going to receive some amount of money. So, and although this is not a huge amount, but it's kind of a token money or a partial payments, or but yes, you're going to actually receive the money. So again, if you guys are thinking or worrying about your financial situation, this is a very good card. Okay, or though this card is not indicating huge amount of money, but that amount of money is enough to boost your confidence, enough to release your stress or worries. Okay, the next card you got is 7 of Cups. So there will be certain situations or areas in your life wherein you're gonna feel, oh my god, I'm so confused, I don't know what to choose. I don't know what is right for me. I don't know which way to go, because so many options are going to open up for you all. So many opportunities are going to open up for you all, and you're gonna feel, oh my god, everything I'm finding equally lucrative. So it's kind of, this card is indicating confusion, but this confusion, because of there are so many options, hence you're gonna feel confused. So this card is, if you can see this card, this angel is pointing out to one cup. Okay, so the message from the card is that if you want to make choice, okay, follow your heart, guys. You number 4 guys tend to waste a lot of time and energy in overthinking, so don't do that. Just follow your heart, instinctively, intuitively make choices, and don't be afraid of going wrong, because the moment you make choice by following your heart, there is no way. I mean, you just can't go wrong. Our heart always guide us towards right path. So don't worry about making wrong choices. The next card you got is divine guidance. Wow. So this card is giving you message that some of you are going to contemplate a lot, about what is the meaning of my life, what is my life purpose, and everything. So, big questions you're going to contemplate a lot. And this card is telling you that angels are going to be with you, okay, and there are chances that you might feel confusion, anxiety, or you kind of loss of direction in life, but just be assured that angels are there for you. Okay, so just during this phase, or during this period, okay, it is better to seek advice. Okay, so connect with your friends, but at times it is also better to seek spiritual advice, or someone who is expert in your field, someone who is expert in your industry. Okay, so seek advice from experts, and also keep strengthening your bond with angels. Okay, so you can meditate, and you can listen to your heart and follow your intuitions. The next card you got is King of Winter. Again, this is the same card as King of Swords from the other deck. So it means that, again, as I mentioned earlier, okay, there is you guys need to be fair. Okay, do not get emotional, think practically, think logically. Okay, do not let your ego dominates. Do not let your ego dominate your decision making process, sorry. Okay, so just be very clear with people around you, draw clear boundaries, speak clearly, just be careful while signing any contracts. This card is also telling me that people are going to come to you to seek professional advice. Okay, so while offering advice, obviously you guys are fair, I need not mention that, but if someone is approaching you to seek any advice, just be professional with them. Okay, and don't hold back anything, just share everything, just be fair, just because people find you reliable, guys, people find you trustworthy. So put your best efforts, give your best shot. The next card you got is Seven of Autumn. Okay, so there will be certain areas of your life where you guys will have to wait. Okay, and that would be the wisest choice you can make at that point of time, because it is like you have done everything what you could, and the only best option is to wait. Okay, and eventually things will work out. Okay, you need to have a little patience. At times you're going to lose your patience, but yes, things are going to work out in your favor. So this card is assuring that you are going to get the results, desired results. Okay, it is worth waiting, guys. That's the message. Don't feel, oh my god, unnecessary, I'm wasting my time, I have to wait so much. And at times you will doubt whether is this proposal worth, whatever the situation that you're going through, is it worth waiting? Then the answer is yes. Okay, you're going to get everything that you're expecting. Just have little patience. Okay, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So now let's check messages from angel cards. All right. Okay, travel, music for manifesting, and joy. Wow, this card is aligned with divine guidance card from the tarot decks. I'm sure some of you are contemplating about your life purpose, and this is a message for those. Your life purpose involves teaching, counseling, spreading message of love or healing, or could be spiritual or spiritual healing, or so you guys are destined to reach out to large number of people and offer your services. So please take efforts accordingly. The next card you got is travel. So some of you are going to travel. Okay, this card also indicates shift of places of residence, or change of jobs, or business travels that is going to happen. This card also says that there could be change of profession. There, if you are thinking about changing career, then yes, that's the wise choice. Okay, so you're gonna basically enter into new territory. So it could be relationship, job change, or actual just traveling for fun, or traveling for business purpose, like that. All right, music for manifesting. Okay, this card is telling you, especially during nights, especially before you sleep, try to meditate for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Also listen to meditation music, or you can just listen to your favorite songs, but this card is specifically suggesting you to listen to meditation music. Okay, so do that, because it will help you to raise your vibrations, it will help you to shift your energy, and it will help you to release your stress. The next card you got is child. Wow, so especially for mothers who are worrying about their children, this is a message that don't worry. Instead of worrying, please pray, because you can see the angel here in this card. Guardian angels of your children are protecting them, so please do not worry. This is the message from angels, that they are hearing you, they are understanding you, and they know your concerns, but worrying will not help. Just pray. Also, this card is telling people who would like to have a child, or who are trying to conceive. This is a very positive card, because it is soon going to happen. You guys need to relax, okay, because anxiety and fears or worries delays the manifestation process. Alright guys, this was for people who chose pile number 2. I'm done with the messages. Now let's move on to pile number 3. All those who selected pile number 3, these are your cards, these are tarot cards. So let's check what's stored for you all in coming 6 months. So let's check messages one by one. So the first card you got is King of Pentacles. So it means, guys, you're gonna get lots of money. So if you have any worries about finances, then please release it, because this is assurance from cards that whenever you require money is going to show up in your life. All right, this card is also telling me that if you're overthinking about any idea or a proposal, it could be regarding your job, career, or business, then especially if you have doubts with respect to financial viability of that idea, then this is a clear green signal from angels or cards that you can go ahead, because that project will give you lots of money, project or idea, whatever. The next card you got is Eight of Ariel. It means that, okay, I'm sure guys of late you have been receiving inner nudges, some kind intuitive feelings that, basically angels are guiding you towards right path. They are telling you that, okay, go and read that book, go and enroll for that workshop, or go and do that course, it is time to go back and study, probably, or or they are telling you that, it is time to make changes in your career, or the way you're thinking, the way you're perceiving things. They are giving some kind of intuitive guidance to you all, and you're kind of ignoring it. So this is a message from angel that please do not ignore. This is a very valuable guidance you have been receiving from them. You can see the angel guiding this author in this card. So this is a very good card for people who would like to write blogs, books, or any articles or something, right? The next card you got is Three of Gabriel. Wow, I just love this card, because this card promising you that there will be many opportunities will be made available to you in future. So in future means we are checking about in coming 6 months. So yes, so definitely many opportunities are on the cards, especially with respect to career. So it could be job change, field change, or business travel. There are so many opportunities are going to lined up for you. This is an amazing card. Just wait for it. The next card you got is Eight of Autumn. This is a very similar card to Eight of Ariel. It's rather the message is very similar. So this is a time to go back to your basics, time to brush up your skills, time to do research. Okay, this card is telling you that before taking any decision, ensure you have done your thorough research. Okay, so in your daily routine, take out some time and connect with people who are experts in your field. Okay, it is worth taking paid services. You can connect with them, learn from them. The next card you got is Eight of Cups. Okay, all right. I see some of you changing your jobs, shifting your careers. I see changes in relationships. Okay, because this card is telling me that some of you have started losing interest in some aspects of your life. I don't know which aspect. It could be any aspect, like relationship, career, or any situation that you're going through. So you are kind of tired, and tired in the sense that absolutely you have lost interest. That's the message I'm getting. So basically your heart is calling you to a new direction. Okay, and you're ready to give up whatever you have right now, and take that new path. So this is a very positive card, because your heart is guiding you towards a right path. So don't delay. Okay, because of course, because you won't, because it's like you just can't wait now. You just want change, you just want to walk away. That's the message. Yeah, this situation feels very overwhelming, but this card is assuring you that whatever new calling that you're following, or you're trying to follow, is the right path for you guys. Okay, so obviously any changes comes with a certain level of pain, but that's okay, all right, as long as you are on the right path, it shouldn't matter to you. The next card you got is Ace of Michael. So it means, guys, some information, some news will be revealed to you, which would rather help you to make a right choice. Okay, so don't assume that whatever information you have currently is the right one. No, some new perspective, or some kind of some news. The word that I'm getting is a news, will come in your life, and which will help you to make a right choice. Okay, so this is a card which says that the truth will be revealed to you, so wait for some time. Okay, though that information, news, might feel very bad or disturbing, but that is necessary, and it will be revealed to you. Okay, because it is going to help you to make a right choice. Alright, the next card you got is Queen of Autumn. So especially for a women, you guys are gonna manage everything beautifully. Okay, be it your career or your personal life. So you are going to be super women, and you're gonna manage everything efficiently. You will be blessed with extra energy during this period, and you're gonna make the most of it. And people are also going to get inspired by your energy. The people are going to ask you, my God, how do you manage everything so well, and all, these kind of expect these kind of questions coming from people around you. So that's a very good card. And in general, if you have a lady boss, then guys, efficiency is the key to impress her. So be more efficient in your work. Alright, the next card you got is Nine of Summer. So this card is telling me that all your dreams are going to come true, guys. Okay, there will be a period where you're going to feel super happy, super joyful, and you're going to feel proud of yourself. Even people around you are going to feel proud of yourself. You'll be able to stay in a zone of gratitude, and you're going to enjoy your life. This is a very, very positive card. Alright, so these were the messages from tarot cards. So let's check messages from angel cards. Alright. Wow. Great. First two cards are so much aligned with the messages that we got from tarot cards. So this card is telling you to go back to school. Okay, it's time to learn, it's time to enhance your skills, brush up your knowledge. Okay, so you can read books, enroll for courses, or you can seek help from experts in your field, in your industry. So definitely don't take, because as I mentioned in the first part of the video, that you guys tend to assume, okay, I now know everything. But no, there is still scope to learn. You need to acknowledge it, because that will help you in future. The next card you got is Notice the Signs. Yes, as I mentioned, yes, angels have been giving you signs. Please notice it, guys. Please notice it. Do not just discard any sign or intuitive message thinking, oh, it's very illogical. But no, you need to acknowledge everything that your heart is trying to tell you. Next card you got is Tranquility. Alright, so guys, it is important, equally important to take care of your body. So please spend some time in relaxing. Take proper rest. Ensure you're getting proper sleep. Eat good food. Okay, spend some time alone, because that will help you to clear your thoughts. Any clutter if you have in your mind. The next card you got is Be Yourself. Okay, so this card is telling you that do not hesitate to be yourself, in everything, the way you dress up, the way you talk, the way you write, or do not hesitate to express your opinions. Do not get affected by opinions of people around you. Just be yourself. Just keep on asking, what do I really want, and be and act accordingly. All right, guys. So I'm done with the messages for people who chose pile number 3. I'm done with this video for number 4, guys. So do post your feedback in comment section, and do like and share this video. Do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be making videos on number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and I have many ideas currently going on in my mind, which I'm working on. And so do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.